Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Google Assistant in ACER Chromebook. To do this, first we'll need to click on the launcher in the bottom left corner of the screen, navigate to the settings, and right here enter System Preferences. Then scroll down and you should be able to find your Google Assistant. When you click on it, you can activate it. Then there's multiple different options like Hey Google that we can enable or disable, screencast, notifications from a Google Assistant, and preferred input. You can also go for Google Assistant settings, which should pop open another window, and here in Assistant you can change the language. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.